Hello everyone and welcome to Trent University Durham's How to Register for Courses video tutorial. The first step, go to your menu in the top left corner of this Trent University home screen. Click on your My Trent and log right in, like so. And from here you're going to go to the upper right hand corner of your screen to this Register tab that's right here. Personally, my favorite way of registering is using the Virtual Schedule Builder. If you're interested in how to use the Virtual Schedule Builder and how it works, there is another tutorial video linked through the Trent Durham website. So we're just going to go through all these steps here. And then I'm going to enter in history because that is my major. And once I select it, you'll see here at the bottom it appears on the schedule, and it will give me this 6-digit course synonym, and this is the number you're looking for. If you're doing it through any other modes such as the schedule builder or the general timetable, you're looking for the course synonym 6-digit number. Once you have that number, copy it, go back to your MyTrent, go to Course Express Registration, and paste it right here, or in any of these boxes down here. Once you have that, press Submit, and it'll take you to a screen like this. As you can see, I've registered for some courses already, but what you need is the drop box right here. So you have three options: register, add to waitlist, or remove from list. Obviously, we want to register for our courses today. So you're going to click Register, Submit, give it a second to process, and we should be good. And that is how you register for your courses through your MyTrent portal using the Visual Schedule Builder. Thank you for tuning in, guys, and have a good day.